All through my growing up years, I had several teachers who entered my life and taught me a lot of things. However, I hardly acknowledged them. I never had gratitude. I was living in a world of my own. But life has its own journey and its own plan, and that's the beauty of it. As life moved on, gratitude started setting in. A lot of ups and downs happened in life, and when coaching happened to me as a profession, I found myself lost, felt like a general physician in a world of surgeons. I didn't know in what direction I should go to. And that's when this man entered my life. His humanity, knowledge, charm, and empathy, it touched my heart. He could reach where nobody else could ever reach. And when I felt lost as a physician, he showed me a path how I could be a surgeon. He showed me a direction where I could find and explore my own strengths so that I could coexist with a lot others in this digital space. He helped me to dream and actually live that dream. Today, whatever I'm doing is only because of the direction that this man showed me. And he sure touched my being where nobody else could. And whatever I do in my life, personal or professional, gratitude for him is always going to be there. Avi Arya, if you are watching this, I'm really grateful for your presence in my life. You surely are God sent, and you have shown a path to me and many others like me. Thank you for being who you are. Thank you, and always stay blessed.